Hi and welcome back to the StoneburnerBooks YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at this custom project. You can see I did a chain stitch there on the spine to attach all of the signatures. This one was a request from a client and they sent me both the original book and these beautiful pieces of handmade paper. So their request was, here's some materials, please just kind of do your own thing. They are a follower over on Instagram, so they were familiar with my work and my style, so they let me just do my own thing. It's a really amazing story. This book was a gift for the client's mother, and I found out after the fact that the handmade papers included in here were actually made by her mother. So it's a really special story. This is one of the reasons that I love custom work, because not only do you get amazing materials to work with, but there's always a really important and good story behind it. You'll see that I used a couple of these different handmade papers in each signature, and the client had also picked out a few original images from the book that they wanted me to include, so that's why I have all these bird cutouts. And they were really fun to work with. I liked seeing all the different birds and just the variety in the handmade paper. This last one is really gorgeous, and it actually includes a pressed flower inside of the paper. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a like, and let me know what you think of how it turned out.